She walked down the hallway with her head down to the floor. Those walls feel like they're closing as those girls pass by once more. Those words will always linger, no matter what is done. Should she turn left? Should she turn right? Or maybe she should run. Tell my mom and dad I love them. Tell my family to be strong. I'll forever be their angel, no matter where I'm gone. I could not take this pain no more, so I chose to move on. I know that God will welcome me behind His golden doors. As she sat alone in her room, her tears fell to the floor. A million thoughts ran through her mind, then she slowly locked the door. Today's the day I say goodbye. I'll spread my wings and fly. They found her lying all alone with a letter by her side. Tell my mom and dad I love them. Tell my family to be strong. I'll forever be their angel, no matter where I'm gone. I could not take this pain no more, so I chose to